Here is a quick little video on loading the brush tools. So I'm in the brush tool project. This is brush tools in Photoshop. Brushes are used for painting typically, but in this case we're going to use a special pen tip, if you will, a brush tip that is, rather than being a circle, is going to have a shape. So you do a little click to put that shape on like a stamp or a stencil. So that is what we are looking at. So I have the ABR files right here. When you click on that one, this folder opens. So ABR files are Adobe Brush. So A is for Adobe, BR is for Brush. So these are special Adobe Brush tools. You can download any you want from the website. You can find free ones by doing a Google search. It says free ABR files or free Adobe Brush tools, and you can download some things, but I have some here already. So I'm going to go ahead and download this one here. So I'm going to go ahead and double click it, and I can't preview it because it's a file that helps another program function. So I can download this file, and it opens up right here. I'm going to drag that to my desktop into a folder I have called brushes. So I have a folder on my computer where I store all of my brush tools. So that is the SS Holiday. That's the one I'm going to load. Now I'm going to go ahead and open Photoshop and create a new file, or for you would open a photo. Well, let me go ahead and open a photo here in Photoshop. Open a photo in Photoshop and select the brush tool. That's this guy right here, the top one, brush tool. These right here are where you have brushes. Usually they are just circles, so you can do painting, but we're going to load those custom specialized brushes. Hit the gear up there, that stands for settings, and then go to import brushes. You need to know where you saved your brushes. I put mine in on the desktop in my brush ABR files folder. So that's the one right there. So I go ahead and click open. And then if I scroll down here, let me close that folder, scroll down here. There's a bunch of brushes already in here. SS Holiday, remember that's the one that I loaded. That was the ABR file, SS Holiday ABR file. So that is the one that I loaded. I can open that up, and they are all different kinds of shapes. We can't really see them very well here. We'll have to play with it to see how to get it to show a little bit better. But this one is an angel, this one is bells, this one is a bow, a branch, candy canes. So let's go ahead and let's grab a candy cane. Why don't we? No, where'd you go? There we are. Let's grab the candy cane and make it a little bit bigger. Can't really see it on this busy screen, so if I go ahead and, just so that we can see it, I'm going to go ahead and open up my layers, make a brand new blank layer, just so that we can see it here. I'm going to pour black on that layer. Well, actually, I want white. And now I will go ahead and select my brush. And again, I have candy cane selected, and I can just one click. If you click and hold, then it does that weird thing. Click once. And you can adjust the shape and size of the brush. Get more brushes. Might be able to download some in there. That is a new feature. So you can rotate it and all kinds of other things on here. So you can rotate it here, the size, and things of that sort. So there are all kinds of things you can do. So you are to create a shape of some sort, a design for a card.